If you like this video and want to see more, then please subscribe to the channel. So one tip for taking out the cover for the locking wheel nut. As you can see here, this wheel nut is one of the ones that spins, and what you don't want to do is use a pair of pliers and try pulling it out, because you're likely to scratch either around here or maybe the cover of the locking wheel nut. So what I tend to do, I get a socket the correct size and then pack it with some tape, and that fits really snug on there. What you can then normally do, when you pull it, you also rotate it and it comes out. Okay, so the wheel is loosened. I did that on the floor because otherwise when you try and loosen the wheel, all it does is spin. So now it's checked out, we will get the nuts off. It's always worth protecting around the socket. It protects the wheel as well. So the last one you want to take out is the one at the top. You can usually tell that if the wheel's going to fall or not. It could even be stuck on. Now if you ever get a wheel stuck on, the way to remove it, a couple of things help. Some wheels you can put a dead blow hammer onto these areas. I wouldn't advise on this one. That can free up the hub. It's usually rust around there, or differential metal corrosion. But if you can get it off, you need a soft-faced dead blow hammer that you can hit on the rim. Don't hit the tyre, there's no point. But just absorb all of your reaction, and that will normally free it up. If you use a normal hammer, you'll damage the rim. So I'm going to attempt to get the lining out of the wheel arch at the front. It's held on in a few places. There's a fastener here, here, here. As we go around, there's one up there. There's one just there. There's two here and one there. So these ones here are quite easy. Come loose very quickly, he says. It's almost a push on those ones. So those three are a 10mm socket. So next one's is that one there. Now that's just like a bit of a rivet. It's like a trim fastener inside. So theoretically you should be able to gently undo the centre and it comes away. And you can pull it out. It's easy as that. So do the same up there. That one's spinning. So hold the outside and undo the centre. It leaves three more fasteners. Now these are T30 Torx. That comes out nice and easy. One's on the front and the other side. very hard. I actually ended up breaking the plastic behind. What I'm actually going to do next, I'm going to take out this panel here. That's the panel that gives you access to the lights behind. So the way you do it, the centre comes away, you can push up at the bottom and it comes away. I've already sprayed it from the other side, but I'm going to try and spray these again. And I'll just leave that to penetrate just for 5 minutes, I think. Alright, let's give that one a go. I expect that back one to be problematic, I think. Can't see my luck's going to be better than that. Yeah, that's rounded off. It moves a bit. That one's actually got an extra one. It wasn't on the other side. As you can see, that's broken away from there. So what I find was easy to do is take these off the bottom here first. That gives it really good movement. You can pull that out of there, but